to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So, for today, I will be unboxing the things that I bought from Ilahui, which had this huge sale. They were like up to 80% off, and then they deducted up to 75% off, which is really awesome. That's why I got a lot of things, and alright, let's just get to the video. So, these are the bags. This is the eco-friendly bag from Ilahui. It's really heavy, and I got like a lot of makeup. And these are these are like another things. These are not just makeup, probably another things. It's heavy. But I'll show you, so let's get started. So, I got this emulsion aloe vera. This emulsion aloe vera. I got 3 of them. Oh, I don't know. There you go. And then this was like, I got the plastics off before, because like I want to spray some alcohol on it just to be safe. And then this is like a beauty blush on. It's like 2 different colors, but I don't know which is which. It's like really pretty. I haven't tried them yet, but I will try them. And then next is this. I think it's just one. This is a long cover wear foundation. Yes, really pretty. Next, I know I got a lot of these. Yep, it's here. Nose up. It's like contour for the nose. You can contour. And no, it's highlighter. I got 4 of these. Ta-da! Really pretty. It's like really cheap. Oh wait, let's like put it here. They also have different numbers, but I got 2 of the same thing. So that is the number. And then next is this lipstick. It's like, it's kind of broken, but I don't know. It has different numbers in it. And for the color, the ears is broken. Kind of sad, but it's cute. Per color, at the top is the same color as the lipstick. It's like, whoa. I don't know what language I said. So there, put it there, and then there. Nose up. Nose up is like really cute. And the next is eyeshadow. There you go. There's the colors. Let's open them. Ouch! I had to break it. Whoa! Chaos. Oh my god. This is torture. Well, I broke the thing. And the color is I thought you could blow that. The color is like ready for warm kind of And then the white could be a highlighter because it's glittery. Let's put it there. I kind of broke everything, but not literally. There you go. Oh, and I've got a lot of lipsticks. Okay, so I just want to check this out. Number 2, white color. White. Woo! Oh, it's like that. So how do you like? Oh, this will take like a lot of time. Oh, there's nothing yet. Nothing is coming out. Is that why it's cheap?
2,000 years later.
I'm gonna check number 1. Is it there already? It didn't come out on me. Oh wait, it's gone. Wait, it kind of highlights it, but you can't see it, but it's shiny. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. Ouch. 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 This one says pink. Whoa, now this is much more pigmented. See that pink? It's pretty. And this one I like the same as this. So we leave that out. So I can maybe stock. Ouch. It's like Next, Ilahui bag. We have like a lot of notebooks, that's why it's so heavy. See here. So I have this. We have like 2 of them, and then my mommy already got the other one because she loves lettering, like love lettering. And the other one was, this one is for me because I sometimes like to draw whenever I'm bored. But I don't want to show it because it's ugly. So it's like clear, like no lines or anything. And then this is for like school. It's the same thing. And another same thing, same design. And then, oh, I love these. It's like the 3 same thing, but it's like my unicorn ate my homework. It's like a perfect excuse, but teachers won't believe it because apparently there's no unicorn. That's not true. Unicorns are real. And then I'm planning to go to Mars. That's why I have this. And then another thing for my mama because she loves lettering and she has like this ball pens which can color to black really well. I don't know how she does that. I have like bad handwriting. And there. Next is nail scissors. What? I don't use this for nails. I use this here. I know I have a lot of these. Where are they? Oh, right here. See, I have 3. Oh my god, they're about to fall. See, I have 3. And then this is, oh, straw. I bought straw. Hard ones. The metal ones. Oh, I've been wanting to have these for like so long as I can remember, and then they're like, Mama says no, and until I got the opportunity to buy it. So it's like for cleaning, for, I don't know, boba. I don't know. It's normal straws. All I can think was boba. And then this cute mug, since I drink coffee. See that? And there's like, oh, let's open it. I want to open it. Can I open it? Oh wait, no. There's like tags still. But this is the cute cup. That's bad idea. Oh, I'm gonna use this. It's like the pointed ones. I don't know. It won't open, so I'm not just gonna open it. This is like cotton swabs. I can use them for makeup, like whenever I have something wrong. And then this is the makeup remover, like oil kind of based. Oil. And then another makeup remover. This is like so cute, but this time it's water based. I have 4 of them. Also, I already sanitized these, as I said earlier. That's why I can touch them. Yeah, I like 4 of these because it's cute. And then they have like this panda or bear. It's not panda, it's brown. Here we go. Oh, I should put it here so you can see it. I have like a lot. And this is for masks. Mask tool set. Right. I'm planning on making a mask. And then probably, I don't know what to use with it. And then since I have a lot of notebooks, now I have like 4 cute pens. It's like sign pen when you write it. It's like really it's hard. I don't know how you guys write. I write like these. Some write like that. Some like super near. I don't know how, but yeah, that's how. You? My mom both write in left and right. It's so difficult. And that is it. That's everything. This is everything. Oh wait, you guys can see some of them. It's like really messy right over there. So there's emotion. Oh my god, I am so messy right now. Well, I'm always messy. What's new? Right? Oh no. Oh no. so you guys can see it. Right over here. Here. Whoa! I don't know what am I doing right now. I'm just wrecking everything. There. Oh. There is everything. So these are everything. Not you can see them, but you see them how I open it. And I will let you know how much these all cost. And like, it's like about 600, 800, all of them.
Aww.
Like all of them. I was expecting like more. But it's not. All of these are just like 800. Surprising, right? Really, really surprising. This is so cute. I really like the bear. And I bought these from Ilahui at Uptown Mall BGC. It's like so good. Their deals are so good. The people are so nice. Like really, really nice. And then whoa. I can't even imagine I got like that as a pile. And then like oh whoa. I'm speechless. Mostly I'm speechless. I'm like, whoa. I'm still like, whoa. So that will be the end of my video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you wanted to see more of this face, just go to my channel and click the notification bell when you wanted to see more of my videos. So, bye bye!